Are you living in the USA and struggling to speak fluent English? Do you feel nervous while talking to native speakers? Well, what if I told you? You can speak English confidently in just 30 days. Yes, it's possible. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to learn English fast in the USA, using real-life methods that actually work. Whether you're a student, an immigrant, or someone trying to improve their English for daily life, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your English environment. If you want to learn English fast, you have to surround yourself with it. Think about this. When you move to the USA, you hear English everywhere, in stores, on TV, at school, at work. But are you really paying attention? Start today by making English your everyday language. Change your phone settings to English, watch American YouTube channels or Netflix shows with English subtitles. Listen to English podcasts or news while traveling. Read signs, menus, and instructions carefully. Immersing yourself in English helps your brain learn naturally, just like a child learns their first language. Step 2. Think in English. The biggest mistake learners make? Translating from their native language. This slows you down and makes your English sound unnatural. Instead, start thinking in English. For example, instead of thinking, main store ja raha hoon, and then translating it, train your mind to think, I'm going to the store. It may be tough at first, but even simple thoughts like, I'm hungry. It's cold today. I need to buy milk will rewire your brain for fluent speaking. Step 3. Practice speaking every day. Here's the golden rule. If you want to speak English fluently, you have to speak it daily. Even if no one is around, talk to yourself out loud. You can also practice in front of a mirror. Record yourself talking for 2 minutes a day. Describe what you see around you in English. And if you want a real partner, use free apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, Speaky. These let you practice with native speakers or other learners in the USA. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Step 4. Focus on common phrases. Don't waste time memorizing thousands of random words. Focus on phrases that Americans use every day. Examples. How's it going? I'd like a coffee, please. Can you help me with this? What do you do for a living? Learn these real-life expressions and practice using them in conversations. Why? Because when you know how to respond in real situations, you feel more confident and natural. Use flashcards or apps like Anki to memorize them daily. Step 5. Learn through listening. Fluent speaking starts with strong listening. Watch American TV shows, movies, or YouTube vlogs. But here's the trick. Don't just listen, repeat after them. It's called shadowing. Watch a scene, pause, and copy the exact way they speak. Their accent, speed, and rhythm. Shows like Friends, Modern Family, The Office are full of real American conversations. Repeat, mimic, and speak out loud. You'll sound fluent in no time. Step 6. Use English at work or school. Are you working or studying in the USA? Great. Use every chance to practice. Greet your coworkers or classmates in English. Ask questions, even if your grammar isn't perfect. Volunteer to speak during meetings or group discussions. People in the USA usually appreciate your effort. Don't worry about mistakes. The more you use English in real situations, the faster you'll learn. Step 7. Keep a daily English journal. This tip is super effective. Write in English every day. At the end of your day, write 5 to 10 sentences about what happened. For example, today I went to the grocery store. I bought milk and eggs. The cashier was friendly. I spoke in English. This builds your vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure. You can even talk about your dreams, goals, or what you learned that day. Keep it simple, but be consistent. Step 8. Learn smart, not hard. To learn English fast, use the 80-20 rule. That means, focus on the most important 20% of words and phrases that are used 80% of the time. These are things like greetings, food and shopping vocabulary, asking for help, talking about time, weather, and location. Also, use visual tools like YouTube vocabulary videos, English learning flashcards, English learning TikToks. Yes, they exist. Learn what's useful, skip what's not. Step 9. Stay consistent. Learning English in 30 days is possible, but only if you stay consistent. You don't need to study for 5 hours a day. Just 30 to 60 minutes daily of focused learning can give huge results. Set a goal like, I will learn 5 new phrases today. I will talk for 2 minutes in English. I will watch 1 video and repeat the lines. Small steps every day lead to big progress. Step 10. Stay motivated. Finally, don't give up. Learning English is a journey. You might make mistakes. You might feel shy. But that's okay. Keep your goal in mind. Do you want a better job? To communicate with neighbors? To succeed in school? To help your family? Whatever your reason, hold on to it. Because you can do this. So now you know how to learn English fast in the USA. Create your environment. Speak every day. Listen and repeat. Use real English in real life. And most importantly, don't stop. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being better than yesterday. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning and self-improvement tips. And let me know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge with English right now? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.